Oh yeah, you saw that steam? Yeah, that's from the freshly prepared fried fish.
In our last video, I introduced 鲍鱼, or Suzhou-style fried fish from the explosively popular store Lao Tantao located inside the FMHJ wet market. Being a wet market, raw ingredients naturally take center stage, but there are plenty of cooked foods on the side. From seasonal offerings like this pot of Jiangsu rou and Qinghuan sticky rice balls shown in my recent videos, to a litany of your everyday pastries and flat breads baked in tandoor-like cylindrical oven, and braised chickens from nearby Zhejiang, and fried chickens and chops from a century-old brand. It's a paradise for those looking for street foods and casual grubs that the typical Suzhou folk grew up eating. If you revel in these foods too, hit that like! After sitting by a river and glutting myself over boxes of carbs and proteins purchased at FMHJ, including the aforesaid fried fish, I head on home sufficiently stuffed. But on the way to the subway station, I would run into an unsurmountable obstacle: the irresistible smell of fried fish that lured me like songs of the sirens.
I just left Fengmen. Now I got my famous Lao Tantao 鲍鱼, but then I saw this store. Shuifang specializes in the 鲍鱼 fried fish as well, so I just decided to give them a try.
The aroma from the fries stopped me dead in my tracks. There wasn't a line, so I was like, why not? It's about as good a day as any to go on a fried fish binge. The patrons began showing up as I contemplated on what to get. There are different cuts and flavors to select from here. Instead of a single product, as is the case with Lao Tantao, the premier cut is the middle segment of the fish, which is what I've ordered. Grass carp fillet is cleaned and cleaved into smaller slices, then fried twice and dunked into marinade. More details about the cooking process in the linked previous video. With regard to marinade flavor, there are several options like black pepper and spicy Sichuan style, but I'm going with Hushang Wuxiang, Shanghai 5 spices, which seems to be the #1 choice here. If I were in a hurry, I would have bought from the hot food display case, but I wasn't, so I have my fish fried on demand.
Oh yeah, you saw that steam? Yeah, that's from the freshly prepared fried fish. I look forward to trying those at home.
Much like sailors who couldn't turn away from the bewitching sounds of the sirens, the fragrance of the fried fish is just too powerful to ignore, and it steered me in the opposite direction.
So I just decided to come back to the riverside and try the fried fish. It's just fresh. The aroma is just bursting out. I just can't wait. So I'm just gonna grab a random piece. There you go. Okay, so you can see the color. I already took some comparison video, so you can see the colors. They're quite different. This one's darker. Has more of a crust than the Lao Tantao. So I'm guessing maybe they fry this a little longer or a little hotter. You see the color on the inside and the outside, quite drastically different. This one has a little bit of that sour zest to it. Tastes something like vinegar. Yeah, so I could definitely sense that kind of the crust like breaking up between my teeth. So this one, yeah, is a bit drier, crustier. So this might sit well with some foodies. Others prefer the softer variety. I prefer the softer variety, but this one remains moist enough that I also enjoy very much. I'm glad I came back. Now, really, it is time to go home. 再见.